Oh my god! What the?
This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Where are you going?
What? What? For pink eye? What?
They're Coldplay fans from a different part of the country and joining the excitement there. The reason I think it has stayed so popular over 2 decades is because
Wow. Okay then. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Yes.
Fuck. Wow. Crashed into the wall.
It's rare that he doesn't build up, so let him.
I know. I'm like letting him. We'll sit down and we'll just have a nice quick.
Thanks for the chicken. Oh, he ran that red light just plain as day.
Sure did, didn't he?
What the fuck was that, dude?
Now it's green. Oh my goodness. Whoa, whoa. Wow. That's stupid.
emergency field.
You know what I mean? Yeah. The formula days. Yeah, it was not bad. Oh man, I forgot my
Holy fucking shit.
Girl on Tinder was actually his fiance. She made a fake account to test whether he would stay loyal, and when he flirted back, she confronted him. Yes, what my son did was messed up, but creating a whole fake profile to trap your partner, that's manipulation. If you have to run sting operations to trust...
Like I'm speeding. What the fuck are you even thinking? You gotta look. And it was highlighted by the fact that that speed limit sign was flashing white light at us. Why do you think that she...
So, a long time ago,
Video locked. Video locked.